Do you think money is not everything but something? Yes, of course. Money is not everything but something. In some aspects, we think money is everything. When we think the people murder somebody for money, people take risk in their life for money, people start danger work for money, people select their life on danger, they are ready to take any risk in life. Okay, one day I saw there was a bike rider climbed over the truck, running truck, and took a bag of rice and jumped down on the road, and he broke his both the leg for a 50 kg of rice. For 50 kg rice he took a risk. Okay, so this type of thieves are there. There are so many thieves, they do this type of things. Money is not everything. Money is not precious than the life. Life is precious than the bags of gold. The life is most important. The people have the misconception that money is the guarantee of your happy life, but it is not true. That happiness is your mental stage. It is wrong direction to run after the money, because money is not everything. If you think, if you have, just as she said, Shivani said, the money can purchase a food but not appetite. We can purchase food but not appetite. We can purchase beautiful bed, but we can't purchase sleeping. For sleeping we should have mental relax, we should have peace in mind, we should have tiredness. Okay, that is why people say that राजाओं की तरह सोने के लिए मजदूरों की तरह दिन भर भागना पड़ता है, काम करना पड़ता है, तब राजाओं की तरह नींद आती है। तुम क्या सोचते हो दिन में भी बस सोए और रात में भी नींद आ जाए? तो पॉसिबल नहीं है। तो ये बात है। सेकंड थिंग इज दैट you can't you can't purchase love of someone, feeling for someone with the help of money. Just he said you can purchase house, but you can't purchase home. Home is a place where the family member live. So family member is not possible to buy with the help of money. House can be purchased. You can stay in hotel with the help of money, but you can't create your own home with the help of money. So that's why money is not everything. If you want friendship of someone, if you want love of someone, care of someone, so you have to give the same in return of him, in return of these things. For example, that is why it is said love begets love, respect begets respect. Okay, love begets love, respect begets respect. प्रेम से प्रेम मिलता है, आदर से आदर मिलता है। आदर करोगे, सम्मान करोगे तो तुम्हें बदले में मिलेगा। ओके, और इफ यू हर्ट somebody, somebody will try to hurt you. So that's why money is not important on these aspects. Okay, so always remember that do not run after the money. Second thing, but people want to earn money more and more. That is why they involve in some illegal activities, they involve in scam, they involve in crime. Okay, gambling is also type of a crime. To earn money more and more, to become rich in short time, they start some illegal work, they start supplying some nonsense things. Hey, no talking there. They start supplying illegal materials like a gun, like drugs, so that they can be rich in short time. That is why it is said, by the short time success build ego, and long time success build character. Okay, so always remember, do not involve in wrong work for earning money, because money is not guarantee your success.